I'm in the process of upgrading my kitchen. At this moment, I have a gas which is a 36 inches. I'm going to change this gas to the better one. The hood, I'm going to install the 36-inch hood right up here. At this moment, if we look at this is the hood I have, and this is the blower fan when we turn it on. This one has a light right underneath, and when we pull it, the light turns on. So I'm going to remove this hood. When I'm going to install the bigger hood, these cabinets gonna go away. So I have to remove these cabinets. This is the box. I'm going to open it. Then it has a dirt. It's a simple DIY work. I'll show you quickly what I'm exactly doing. So the first step is removing these cabinets. These cabinets has a push button, you push it and then it opens it. After removing these 4 screws, this is the piece we need to push up and then we need to pull it out. So it slides out, just like that. I have a 36-inch hood which is going to get mounted right here on the wall, and the outlet is here, which we're going to put it, unplug it, and now I'm going to take this one hole, run it out. I'm going to remove the hinges. As for the crown molding, I'm going to leave it in there because it's a one piece, it's going to look decent. I'm going to bring my hood all the way up. I'm going to make sure that it's mounted on the wall. So I'm going to remove the dirt. Then I'm going to pull this hood. This hood has a few screws on this side and few screws on this side. I'm going to remove it and I'm going to take it out. The whole unit dropped down. It was holding with these screws on the side, which goes from here, from the body to the wood. This is the tape, I just cut it open. So now I'm going to remove these vent pipes. So I'm going to take it out, I'm going to discard it. So now the next step is to remove these hinges. Once the hinge is removed, I'm going to remove this wood, and once I'm going to install it, it's going to look really awesome. As you've seen it, after removing the old hood, the air, dirt, or exhaust pipe, after removing those, this is the one which need to be removed and which need to be modified because the hood I'm going to install, it has 2 big blowers. This is the top going to get mounted on top. Once it's going to install, it's going to look nice. The hood has been installed. This is not something I wanted to share with you in a step-by-step how to do it. This is only a motivation video. If you are a DIYer and you're willingly to do it yourself, you can do anything. You've seen it before. It was a cabinet, it was a ugly looking. The hood I have it, which was right here. After taking it out, I installed it, really nice one. And if I can take a look at the top, see, this is the filler which I took it from the bottom. That I put it down here. And right now I have modified these. The situation was I had an opening 8-inch. And for this hood, the opening was 10 inches. So I got the universal adapter, 8 inches and 10 inches. Then once I start to install it, it was way too big. So I cut it open and then I used these tapes and I really tape it well. And now this is the only portion left. And what I'm gonna be doing, I'm going to use a filler over here. So it's identical to this color, the maple color, so it's gonna look nice. So once I'm going to put the filler, you're going to see it to look professionally installed your hood. And if I look at right now, I turn the lights on, look at this, so good. And if I turn the blower motor, wow, that's a medium and now high. I can cook a lot of stuff here and there will be no smoke in the house. That's medium and that's low and that's off. The blower motor is really strong. It has two big blower motors. So I'm going to enjoy the hood. So now the finishing touches will be clean up this area where the residue from the previous cabinet. I'm going to take care of that. On the back portion, I'm going to get the piece of granite. So that will be the splash on the back. So I'm going to use that piece. So the next video, I'm going to upgrade my gas. I'm going to take this gas out. This is a beautiful gas. It's no doubt about it. It has a 36-inch 5-burner. But I'm going to install Thermador gas. That is very nice one. And the problem is now I have to do as a DIY work. I'm going to cut it open, the granite from here, then I'm going to install it and I'm going to take this, the cabinet, the filler out. And that video I'm going to share with you. So I hope this helped you out in your DIY project. And if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. And for my easy steps cooking, quick and easy and tasty and delicious recipes, please check it out, Easy Steps. And I'm going to see you soon. Bye-bye.